Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Cooking and Life. Today I am going to share something very useful you all. In the morning I went to the vegetable market and bought fresh vegetables and some fruits also. It's a daily market, so everything was very fresh, and so it's today video I'll show you how I wash, cut and store vegetables properly in the fridge so they can last for a whole week. Method saves a lot of time, especially during busy mornings. First, let's take out all the vegetables from the bag. I have different types of vegetables here, like green vegetables, tomatoes, onion, and also some lemons. The lemon were very cheap today, so I bought extra. Now the first step is washing. We will do wash all the vegetables. It's very important. And after that we will do the cut all the vegetables. After washing, we will do the dry all vegetable, and then we will do start the cut all vegetables. So some vegetables can be cut using a chopper, which gives a fine and even size. This saves a lot of time and effort. So some vegetable we will cut with the hand. I use a vegetable washer, which makes this process very easy. It helps remove dirt and impurities quickly. If you don't have a vegetable washer, you can simply wash them under running water. Make sure to clean them properly, especially leafy vegetable. After washing, the next step is drying. This is very important because if vegetables have moisture, they can spoil faster. So we need to dry them completely before cutting. So some vegetable we will cut with the help of knife, and for some vegetable we will use that cutter. Once all the vegetables are cut, we will store them in Ziplock bag. I always use Ziplock bags. They keep vegetables fresh and hygiene. These bags are also reusable. You can wash them after use and use them again, which is very convenient. This type of bag which I'm using, as you can see. So now you can see all the vegetables are nicely cut and stored in Ziplock bag. Everything look clean, fresh and ready to use. Finally, we will keep all these bags in the fridge. This way whenever you need vegetables for cooking, you don't have to spend time washing and cutting again. This method is very helpful if you want to cook dishes, any daily meals quickly. It's just 1 hour or of work, and then you can relax for the whole week without worrying about vegetable preparation. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.